The person talking to you right now is an AI avatar.
15 seconds of footage, that's all it took. Watch what it does with that.
This is for the people who show up on camera again and again because that's how they lead, sell, teach.
Most other models are image-based, so they don't truly preserve who you are. They fill missing details with hallucinations. And over time, the avatar drifts.
And by video 10, it looks more like your cousin than you. Avatar 5 learns directly from your reference video. Every frame, every movement. It doesn't just read your face, it watches how you move, your rhythm, your expressions.
In blind evaluations, Avatar 5 is rated number 1 for real human talking videos. 1/10 of the cost, 10 times the generation length, 0 identity drift. You can one-shot an entire 10-minute script and walk away.
If your face is your brand, if personalized video is how you sell, if you or your team needs content at scale, this was built for you.
Avatar 5, one recording. Any outfit, any setting, anywhere. Your identity, consistent, permanent, everywhere it needs to be.
Available now in HeyGen.